G'day, I'm Big Red from the Stockpot Kitchen, and today we've made a loaded ass little hot dog, cheese Kransky, pulled pork and pickle relish. We've got a nice little pork collar here, seasoned with a Big Red brand and Heavenly Hell combo. And now that's going to go into the smoker at 275 air for 2 hours until it looks like this, and then wrap it with sugar and butter, wrap it in the foil and back into the barbecue. Next we need to make a pickle relish. We'll chop onions and pickles and blitz them with a little American mustard. Once the pork probes at 210F, we'll put a couple of Kranskys into the smoker and pull the pork out. Once the pork's cool enough to handle, we'll pull it up and we're going to add a little Heavenly Hell Championship candy just to sex it up a little. After 30 minutes, we'll take the Kranskys out of the smoker, we'll put them into the bun, top them with cheese, we'll melt that, add a little pulled pork, and then we're going to top that with our pickle relish. So that's it, loaded ass little hot dog, pulled pork, cheese and jalapeno Kransky, more cheese, pickle relish, and probably just enough bun to hold it.